Some people said that they wanted a video for these two things. Remember, you need to make an account. I mean, let's look at the rubric. You need to make an account. You need to do the Onshape learning exercises, but there's really only 2 attachments. But I can tell if you don't do the first one because, well, we'll get to that. When I do the first one, I'll explain that. Anyway, so there's 2 attachments from the second one. They need to be added in here with link sharing. And modeling construction blocks is where you're making the construction blocks, which I do in this 28-minute video here. And it's these construction blocks that are here. But I'm going to do this navigating Onshape real quick. You can see I've already done it. Documents page.
The first page you see after signing
is a video.
Completing your profile
is a video. Exercise, customizing your account. Add a picture to your profile, set default units, adjust view manipulation settings. To access your account settings, select your name in the top right corner and select My Account from the pull-down menu. Okay. Usually I do this, but I'm going to just flip because it's not that big of a deal, this one. To add a picture, select the profile options and select change under the blue avatar. So you can do change, and then you pick an image file, and then you'll hit open and you'll hit OK with some restrictions. I am not changing it because that's the one that I'm using. Oh yeah, so that is the way that I know that you've done at least the beginning of this exercise, because I'll see people's icons change. If I go to something that you can't go to because I'm the boss, but if I look at, well, I can look at all the users, and you can see like Anthony, Anastasia, Allison, Abby, Cassidy, Bree, Chloe, ECAT, Joshua, Nicole, Maria, Owen, Preston. That's the other me. Or is that this me? That's this me. I have 2 me's. Tanya. So all these people I know did that because they changed their picture. So they did step 2. Upload the image. Choose the image from the computer. Do these things to make it the right. Don't take an actual picture of yourself as you saw the other people. All right, step 6. Change your default units. Select preferences along the left. So let me go back to my account. Preferences. Mine might look a little different because I'm on the enterprise account. But yeah, the unit stuff, and this fine. Angle degrees. Angle decimal places. Change your mouse controls. Okay, so if you're used to the other programs, but most of you are not. And no, Inventor and Fusion are not on here, but if you were used to Fusion or Inventor, you could possibly pick AutoCAD, and it would be more similar. Okay, but you don't need to do that. And then click on that. And you're done. See, slide 8 of 8. Answer the following self-check questions. Oh, is it A or C? That probably was in the video. Oh, some of those questions will come back on a future assessment. So I would retake the self-check until you get them all right every time we do something with a self-check. Because it won't tell you which ones you got wrong. They'll just tell you got some wrong. Okay, this is a video. That's a video. You're not going to watch me watching videos. This is a video, but then there's another self-check. I don't need to show you doing another one. Exercise, navigating a document. Open the public document, exercise, navigating a document. Done. Select the document menu and copy the workspace. So you can do make a copy there, or you can do copy workspace. Same thing. Whenever I copy workspaces as part of their exercises, I always put my last name there. Use a tab manager to find a universal joint assembly part studio and navigate to the part studio by double clicking. So universal joint assembly. Tab manager. I know I did this before. That's a tab manager down here. Universal joint animated. Animation assembly. Assemblies. Universal joint. Everything one? Oh, I should have clicked there. Oh. So click on that. There it is. It's just taking a while to load. Okay, that looks right now. Maybe it's just taking a while to load. What confused me. Okay, so we're there. Workspace units. Done. Select the 3 faces shown. face. It's much easier with the mouse. To rotate it like this, I'm just holding down the right mouse button. But that's why one of the Ed puzzles yesterday was on how to use a Chromebook and your multi-finger stuff. But I still suggest you get a mouse. Okay. Area 14125.736. There you go. I know it's correct because I know how to select what I'm supposed to be doing. All right, that's that. That's a video. That's a video. That's a video. So that was the first one.